This video, I'm going to show you how you can freeze a frame in Shotcut. So I have a video here, as you can see, but I want to freeze this particular section here. So the first thing you need to do is to identify the spot you want to freeze and then take the frame. So I'll go ahead first and frame this section. And to frame it, just go to File here. And then from File, look for the option called Export and then select Frame. And here we go. So I'll rename it Shotcut Frame. And now we're going to save this frame as a PNG file. So I'll go ahead and save it. Great. Now the next thing I need to do is to cut this section. So I'll go ahead and cut it. And here we go. So the next thing to do is to go ahead and take our frame and then add it here. So let me go ahead and take the frame and then add to my playlist. Now, there are two ways I can freeze this. One, I can go ahead and add another timeline to add the frame. Alternatively, I can go ahead and create a space here by just moving this section to create a space and then go ahead and add our frame. And let me now join the two. So if I go ahead and play it, you can now see, look at that, the freeze has been applied and it will pick up from there. Great. So if you want it to last for a short period of time, you can go ahead and cut to where you are comfortable. For instance, I can cut it, then remove one section like that. And now this freeze will be for a shorter period of time. Just like that. Great. So that's how you freeze a frame in Shotcut. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.